Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 11, straight line. On straight line, already you have got 5 lessons. And today, part 6. Only one equation, there are many information. Please pay your attention on board. Points to remember. Equation of bisector of the angles between two straight lines. 1, 2. These two straight lines intersect at this point, and total we are getting 4 angles. One acute angle, another obtuse angle, and we have to find out the equation of the bisector of acute angle and obtuse angle. This is the bisector of acute angle and this is the bisector of obtuse angle. This the equation and this the formula. And here plus minus is given. There are two bisectors. Naturally there will be two equations. 1, 2. This is why plus minus. One you have to consider plus value, then minus. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula. And there are more information. Bisector containing origin. This is the bisector and this is the line, and this is the origin. Inside of the bisector and line, this is the origin. So this is, you have to make the constant positive. If you see equation is not given positive, then you have to make it positive. After making positive, then you have to consider only plus sign. There are more information. The bisector of acute and obtuse angle. There are two bisectors, 1, 2, and one is bisect the acute angle, another is obtuse angle. So you have to find out the equation which angle bisect, acute or obtuse. This you have to find out by this. That is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 greater than 0. That means plus value if you get, then obtuse angle. Bisect the obtuse angle. A1, A2 and B1, B2 nothing but they are the coefficient of X and Y. Similarly, this less than 0, then bisect the acute angle. These are the information you have to remember. On this, the example is given. In one example, you will get more information. Please pay your full attention. For the straight lines 4x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 and this, find the equation of the bisector of the angle which contains origin. One condition, and determine whether it bisects acute angle or obtuse angle. Containing origin, or it is bisect acute angle or obtuse angle. Please follow the example. The equation of the given lines are this and this, and this is, you have to make plus. This is why we have to take common and it will be plus. And another equation this, since C1, C2 will be positive. And when we will get the positive, then the equation we have to consider plus value. That means the equation will be plus. By applying this formula, we are getting this. Another information, simply the bisector is required in any problem, then there will be two equations. And here the only one equation, because the content which contains the origin, this is why plus. Considering the plus value, what equation you will get, that will be the answer. By applying the formula and simplifying, we are getting 7x plus 9y minus 3 equal to 0. Then we have to find out
whether it is bisect the acute angle or obtuse angle. This is why from the equation we are getting the value of this less than 0. Less than 0, therefore the origin is in acute angle and the bisector of this angle is this. Sum is completed. I think it is clear. Now on this, the MCQ, 3 MCQs are given. Regarding the MCQs, this is the basic concept. Basic concept is essential for facing any type of MCQ. And here is given 3, and the answer of the previous MCQ, that is part 4 and part 5, here is given. And this answer is not given here, but next video this answer will be given. And listen this, the equation of the bisectors of the angle between the lines, this and this are 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Among these 4, you know very well, you have to select the correct one, and in this way other MCQs are given. Now one thing I want to tell, after doing the MCQ you must check whether you are correct or wrong. And another things, that is, most of you are requesting for MCQ for joint entrance. So next video I will give the answer of this MCQ, and on straight line I want to make MCQ on joint entrance. Okay, thank you everybody.